2010 census said there were 5 million Native Americans in the country. And the 2020 census said there were 10 million Native Americans here in the United States of America. And if we didn't have that many babies that fast, they let people check more than one box. And the 2020 census was conducted in the middle of a global pandemic with the federal government trying to suppress minority counts. So it will be most likely that the next census will say that there's 15 million Native Americans here in the United States. Because that's probably more accurately what we got. Also, people move around, fall in love, make babies, lots of things. And it is difficult to get good data. If you ever had to work on any of the title programs and document who's Native in your district, woo, grow you a whole head of gray hair. The systems are ridiculous. And on the one hand, you got to play the cards. And on the other hand, we need to work to change the systems so they're not so ridiculous, so inequitable, so many hoops. But you do want to gather as many financial resources as you can for your school and put them to work for your kids. Here in Minnesota, we have lots of Canadian First Nations who don't want to click American Indian. They're not necessarily well represented in how we collect information and data. In the age of identity politics and who's Native and who decides and pretendian takedowns and everything else, a lot of people are scared to click or don't know if they should click or think you have to be an enrolled member of a federally recognized tribe in order to click. So all of your counts underrepresent the students who are there. So just bear in mind, like the 200 districts that are out of compliance, it's higher. And as we get better at documenting, it will become more obvious how much that is the case.